Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies on an infrastructure project here. Got this concrete chunk cut out, rebar installed. Having some leak in water, so I'm using a 2-part water stop product. It's not going to completely stop this water, but it's going to help tremendously. It'll allow us to get our forms up there like this, and then get grouted in like we did this one here. There's one little leak on this guy right here, but we'll drill that out, install an epoxy port, we'll inject that. That'll seal it right up. Jade Alpine, you can follow this project on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. Watch over 2,000 videos of my projects. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. See you guys on the next one.